HTTP Live Streaming Protocol, HLS, created by Apple that is the most used for these purposes today. Unlike other streaming formats, HLS supports a wide range of devices and firewalls. The latency, delay, of this protocol can vary between 5 and 30 seconds. These files are formed by an index file with M3U8 extension. The M3U8 file format is used by audio and video playback programs to store playlists. The playlist consists of an internet web path or URL, along with information about each track in the list, playtime duration. The acronym TS stands for Transport Stream. The TS file format is most commonly used by streaming software applications to transmit media files over the internet. TS files contain encapsulated and packaged audio and video streams, split into sequences. Most media players do not natively support TS files. One of the most widely used free HLS video players for HTML is VideoJS. The VideoJS is a free, open-source HTML5 play that is highly customizable. The project was started in mid-2010 and now has hundreds of contributors and is used on more than 450,000 websites. The official website is www.videojs.com. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the main features of it. Let's download the source code of our example from the website www.js10.com.br. Select the desired language. Click on the More Information link. Click on the Articles option. Click the button to download the example code. Let's find the download file to unzip. Unzip the file. Enter the unzipped folder. The video_article1.html file is an HTML file. To open it, we need to use a browser. Right-click and open the file with your browser. VideoJS is displaying the video. The video being shown is a file that has already been recorded and encoded for streaming. You could also utilize a live video using VideoJS. VideoJS is a video player for HTML5. It is free and open source. It is one of the most used in the world. Now let's edit the HTML file. Close the video. Right-click, click on the HTML file and select your preferred code editor. Let's use Versus Code. Now let's look at the source code of Play VideoJS. CSS link required for JS video formatting. Video tag is where the video and commands will live. ID, if provided, and the element does not already have an ID, this value is used as the ID of the player element. Autoplay. True, the video will play automatically. False, will not play automatically. Muted. Will silence any audio by default. Preload. Suggests to the browser whether or not the video data should begin downloading as soon as the video element is loaded. Width. Sets the display width of the video player in pixels. Height. Sets the display height of the video player in pixels. Loop. Causes the video to start over as soon as it ends. Class. Change the themes of VideoJS. Controls. Determines whether or not the player has controls that the user can interact with. Without controls, the only way to start the video playing is with the autoplay attribute or through the player API. Poster. A URL to an image that displays before the video begins playing. This is often a frame of the video or a custom title screen. As soon as the user hits play, the image will go away. Data setup. It serves to pass JSON attributes to VideoJS. Check the official website for more information. www.videojs.com. src. The source URL of a video source to embed. The file extension must be M3U8. You can use video URL for both on-demand and live streaming. Type. Defines the video format that will be displayed. Video tag. Here we close the video tag. Link JavaScript for VideoJS to work properly. live video server platform for mobile devices, allowing surveillance cameras to be displayed live on your websites and apps. Develop your own websites or apps with live video capabilities. Embed videos into your websites or apps using our APIs and step-by-step manuals. Capture footage from security cameras, IP cameras, panoramic cameras, etc., converting them to a format in which they can be streamed live.